What's up? D7 here. Okay. As y'all know me from my other channels and stuff like that. Okay. Mostly been doing vlogs on my Dominoes 66 channel. Okay. So, as some of you may know, okay. Well. Alright, so I've been a lot busy lately, playing my video games, collecting video games, trying to get custody of my little niece, talking to my big brother and stuff like that, and stuff like that. Okay, so on the serious side though, I don't know what the heck's been happening to a few of you lately. Okay, in case some of y'all don't know, I lost my grandmother a couple of weeks ago. Okay, my grandmother's birthday is on the 18th of this August. Okay, and today is August the 11th. Okay, so I've been okay lately. Okay, if some of you just subscribe to just this channel and not my other channel and stuff like that, you know. Okay, so I've been keeping up with a few things lately, watching my YouTube on my TV from my PS3 and stuff like that, collecting video games and stuff like that. Okay, so the way I think about it, y'all, have fun at MechaCon. I know y'all saw my MechaCon videos. Okay, yes indeed. Okay, I enjoyed MechaCon. Kristen, Allie, and some new people named Matt and stuff like that. All right, especially meeting this guy that was playing Mario on that TV at MechaCon. Okay, so I'll definitely be at MechaCon next year. Okay, whether I live in New Orleans or not. You know, if I can't make it to MechaCon, something came up. Okay, excuse me. All right. So anyway, for some of you that don't know, that been watching my videos on this channel and other channels, I film with this camera. Okay, so I don't film with the other camera because my camera kind of broken. Okay, I bought a new camera and that broke. Okay, cheap ass cameras. Okay, the first camera I got, I'm surprised it lasts for this long. Okay, it lasts from 2011 until this year. Okay, all right. So anyway, losing my grandmother, not playing with my little niece and stuff like that. And then pretty soon I'm gonna teach her how to play video games. Okay. At least she knows how to write, you know. But she gotta learn to read, sorta, you know. Long as she don't have trouble writing, you know. There's some children that be having trouble writing, you know. As some of you may know. Okay. So anyway, how many of y'all? Well, I went to school with somebody years ago that been having trouble writing, you know. So all he could do is type on the typewriter. Okay. Well, I don't think they still use typewriters, you know. I think sometimes that they use typewriters, you know. Some of you don't know nothing about typewriters. Okay. If y'all watch them old TV shows and stuff like that, some of you my age know about typewriters, but some of you that is way younger than me, young enough to be my son or daughter, y'all don't know nothing about typewriters. Okay, so you make that one mistake, that's a misprint. Okay, anything is a misprint. Okay, so you never know what's a misprint. You know, so things could be a misprint. You can't erase it, or you could use whiteout or something like that, you know. So those were the old days, like the 90s, the 80s. Well, typewriters was in the 50s, way back in the 50s, you know. So like they say, be careful with your typing, you know, because you can't delete it. Okay, once it's on that paper. Okay, so for some of you that don't know what a typewriter is, okay, I'm talking to the young ones, okay, the young ones like that's not my age, young enough to be my children. A typewriter is like a keyboard with paper inside of it. Okay, you got your keyboard, and then you have paper inside of it. You type. Be careful with your typing, because if you mistype something, you have to take that damn paper out. Excuse my language. I shouldn't be talking like that, and I'm probably talking to children. Okay, take that paper out, and then you have to restart it all over again. And it's going to be extremely frustrating, okay? At these type of days, thank God for technology. Thank God for computers, okay? Computers came out in 1980. I think sometime in the 80s or the 70s, computers came out, okay? I watched Good Times. They say nothing about computers, okay? In the 1980s, that's when we first heard of computers, okay? When I started going to school, that's when I first heard of computers, okay? Computers are very, very helpful, okay? All right. So this vlog that I mentioned about is not all but fun and just fun and games, okay? I mean, okay. I don't understand what the hell I'm trying to say, okay? But as I was saying, y'all, okay, about computers and stuff like that, you know. All right. So anyway, what I've been up to lately, okay, and I'm changing the subject a lot, you know. Okay. So I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna teach Braylon how to work a computer. Some of you may know who Braylon is, okay? If y'all watch my recent videos, you know, like my videos from last year, the year before last, and the year before that, okay? So I hope y'all know who Braylon is, okay? For some of you may know who Cassidy is, okay? Because Cassidy appeared on my show too, okay? All right. So that's all Dominoes 7 got to say, okay? All right. So for this vlog here about computers, and teaching this child how to do stuff on computer, and teach them video games and stuff like that, it's gonna come to a complete open, okay? And then we will have lots of fun, and then when she lose on the game, she could say whatever she want, darn or dang. She not gonna say the F word or DAMN or whatever, okay? So anyway, you know what? I want to tell y'all something. We say those kind of words, we get bat in the mouth, okay? Or soap in the mouth, or pep on the tongue, you know? So I want to know, what do parents do to punish their children that curse, okay? I don't know, but I'm a professional at that, okay? So that was a Family Feud question that I heard of. You know, what do parents do to punish their children that curse? Okay, so children should not be cursing. Okay, little kids should not be cursing. Okay, so just like when your child go to school, the teacher gonna need to know, where did that child learn those words from? The bad parent, or thugs out in the street, or a bad gangster movie, or something like that. All right, one more thing before I stop this tape, okay? My little niece started cursing, okay? She said the F word. She mostly said the F word, okay? I ain't saying no lie, okay? She said the F word, okay? All right, so she said the F word, and I said, "What you said?" She didn't want to repeat it because she knew I was gonna whip up behind, you know, right? So give her a hand slap, you know. That's all, a spanking on the hand, okay? So on the serious side though, gotta teach your child those words are inappropriate, okay? Wait a minute, I ain't even finished telling y'all, okay? What happened was, she learned that from her arrogant mama and her psycho dad. Okay, well, no. Let me switch that around a bit. Her psycho mom and her crazy dad. Okay, my big brother. Okay, yep. So on the serious side, people saying her mama crazy, Brandy is crazy, but guess what? She not crazy. She's psycho. She is completely psycho. You understand? Some she must have a screw loose in her mind or something. Well, maybe if they wind up doing brain surgery, maybe they gonna fix that. I think this video gonna go on two of my channels. Okay. All right. I was planning on making it for the Dominoes 7 channel with the word 7 on it, but I decided to put this one on Domino E662 just in case my fan want to comment on that. Okay. All right. So that's all Domino 7 got to say. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. All right. God bless y'all. God keep y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. All right. If you're supportive, you're supportive. If not, so be it. Bye bye.